Hi guys,
Hi guys.
we're making
The board today.
We got a lot of
Marcus, what did you say here?
my fidget board, and
Okay.
those are sections
And
that
this we
we're
got-
gonna put the stuff in.
This we got from Dollar Tree. Okay, let's check it out. What do we have here? Okay, Marcus.
Okay, so first we got
I cannot see you. Hold on.
first we got
Okay, yes.
pipe
Right
cleaners.
here. Right here.
They're pipe cleaners.
What they call this? Okay.
Okay.
I saw some of that.
These are pom-poms. They're kind of flat. Oh,
This is
wooden
crack.
cube.
Cute.
We're having
We saw
spiders
some
for
of
this
these.
since it's almost
Look at
Halloween.
these. Baby pumpkins, so cute.
And we also have got these stickers. We also have flowers.
And what is this? The letter here, Marcus.
We also have counting chips. I have
This thing.
those at school. And we have
This.
googly eyes. We have beans.
We
We're
have
gonna use those
red
too.
kidney bean.
We're using buttons.
Right here. Show a little bit longer so they can see.
We're using these erasers.
Right here. Look at the colors, guys.
We're
So
using
beautiful.
these glass beads. We're using regular beads. And
400 count. Oh my god, 400 pieces.
we're also, and for last, we're
I
also
found
using
one from.
tacky glue.
We use this glue. I don't know if it worked. The one that worked good is the hot glues, but you know, we tried this one first.
Yeah, and it's under a lot of boxes in my basement.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, let's
open
get
the glue.
started.
Marcus, hold on. So for the small stuff, you should use this thing to grab it.
These are very long sticks. We're gonna take the sticks out and then
For something small, this big, okay?
the pumpkins.
Okay, now which section you want to do it first? We're gonna pour glues there. Which section?
Section.
Yeah, which one? Which one do you want to start first? Which section? Where?
I want to use these
Where do you want?
these over here.
Okay, now we're gonna try the glue, okay? You wanna pour it? Oh, hold on. I need to cut it. Make a hole first.
Okay, guys, I opened this so fast and I don't know how that happened. Look, I opened this so fast. Three already fell out, guys.
I think this is the easiest because you can use hand. Here?
Oh, some of them fell out. Some of the glue fell on your pants.
This is dry. Okay, it's fine.
That's already dry. Oh,
No, this one. Marcus, this.
spread it all around. In this area.
Can you roll your sleeve first?
Oh, yeah, guys, don't forget to roll your sleeves.
Okay. Just in the line.
Yeah, like you coloring the lines, guys.
Hope this works. Okay. Yeah, good.
Okay, now we're gonna add the cubes.
And we can paint it later.
That's a lot.
You want me to help? with
No.
that? Okay. You see this one fell that's in right in here.
Oh, that one fell?
Yeah, fell right in there. So cool.
Oh, that's cool. If they still have more room, we can add some friends to it.
Mm.
Only the friends that live next to it. Look, I flipped this to sideways, and now this is gonna connect to this one.
That is so cool.
There's a lot.
I may get more later.
These are twins. These guys are twins. Hey, we have a lot more left. Guys, that took a lot of space, guys. Okay, guys, so it's not actually filled up yet, so let's add
You
some.
give me the trash, recycle.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I put it in. See?
now we're gonna try the buttons.
Where do you want? Put that.
I never have buttons. Oh, there's one that's so tiny. I just saw
Can you
it.
pull it here? Oh my!
They're
my God,
even
look.
very tiny ones.
Look, Mrs.
That is so cool. There's a lot of types of cool ones. I'm gonna put this over. I'm gonna put these over here next to the wooden guys. But they're having a little party here, so I'm gonna add some buttons. They're having a party with buttons and beads. Mommy, can we open the beads too?
Yeah, we could. Hold on. Do you want to do this first, right here? One at a time, okay? Which one do you want to do right now? This one? Here?
I want to put some of these ones with these parties.
You want to mix it?
Yeah.
You open this, hold the bottom, yeah? And one hand, pull this out. Yeah.
This is how I usually do it. Okay, guys. How does our fidget board look, guys? This is a lot. This is a lot of work. It's kind of light work, but a lot of work.
Let me just open it, open.
Is it open?
Right here, right here.
Oh, look.
Right here, right here. See? Right here.
Oh. Okay, guys, we're opening the beads. Hope this does not get messy. Ooh. Guys, let's hope this does not get messy. One by in.
It look like the glue, what?
Yeah, it looks kind of. It feels kind of sticky. I'm trying to get a small one, guys. Small button, where are you? Oh. It actually fits here. This is a lot, guys. Okay, guys, we're moving on to the next one.
You open it first? Careful. Just enough, not too much, okay? I think they're perfect. Close it with the lid. Perfect, like the right amount.
Yeah, that's actually kind of a lot.
Really? But maybe a lot of stick good.
3, 2, 1, a cool one.
Oh my god, that giant.
Nice. I need to show you something if you want to see this. And if it fits. Okay, I'm gonna get a small one and then put
wanna
it in
show
the
them
middle
first?
of here.
You need to put glues there, so. Yeah. Oh, I did not cut it. Maybe hold on. Okay, now this one you open and I'm gonna go cut this one. Okay.
Okay.
One's cut, so you use small glue, and the other one is the big one.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna use the regular glue for this one.
Oh, it was. Okay, right here.
Oops, I already
Yeah,
used
you
this
can
glue.
use that one. I'm gonna prepare your lunch. Call me, you need something, okay?
Okay. Now we just have to get all of the glue off. Guys, that's a lot. Let's get it off, guys. I'm not talking about that. Get it off. What? Guys, we have a lot of one. We have a lot. We're already filling up the thing. Already. Mommy, look. I'm already filling up this.
Oh my gosh, so fast.
Now the buttons are getting smaller. And then very small at the top. Okay. Ready for the next one, guys? Hey guys, do you see it? Guys, comment down below if you see it, guys. Oopsies, guys. Guys, I got in the middle, guys. That's really actually a lot.
Blue?
No, I actually put it in the middle of something. A lot of beads here.
Martha, you can put the stick down. So you have two hands, it's easy for you.
gonna use the pumpkins.
Micah,
Yes?
let me help with that. It has stick. Okay. What? Easy to take off anyway. Hmm?
Mommy. Guys, look.
Wow. But Micah, if you put the glue down like that, it's easier. You know, just put it on top. You want to do all the pumpkin or?
All of them.
Let me move cameras. Let me put the stick down first. Difficult. And we could use this stick. Look. Oh, is that too much for a small spot like that? Or maybe you can use it, put it here and some here too. Okay. Twist it like this. And make it. Maybe you can put it here, and some here too. And you want to do that, you do it flat like that. Yeah. Put your hand down like that. Just enough to put your finger. Yeah. Under it. Yeah. Not on like this. Like this. See?
Okay. Always look at our first. Oh, oopsies, you're getting it in this space a little.
Oh yeah, I want to put it there because you're gonna have glue, leftover glue. I don't want to waste it.
Well, yeah, they actually do sound pretty good. They sound pretty good.
Sound good?
Yeah?
Oh, you can add some more?
Yeah? There's a lot of buttons left over. Especially this one. It looks kind of like a Lego block. Mommy, I need to show you something.
Okay.
There's one that looks kind of unique.
Hold on. I'll wash my hand first. Yeah, show me something.
Look.
Oh my god. This is so perfect.
Look at this one.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this one.
Oh my gosh.
And this one.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they sound good. Can we make a part 2 of this?
Make. You don't want to. You turn it off already?
No. I just want to do this for the last
Okay. You want to do this now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Oh my god.
That was so easy, guys. I actually opened it right away.
Marcus, hold on. You see? You can squeeze this one. I already cut it open. Maybe easier like that. Try it. Come out.
I'm gonna put it in here.
Mm-hmm.
Cannot do it.
No? Yeah, you can put some more. Mm-hmm.
Oh, guys.
Oh, this is perfect, I think.
Yeah, that looks very perfect. Thanks. That looks good.
You're gonna put pom-poms there?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the pom-poms over there.
You can do this. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So it's strong. Can I help with that?
Yes, please.
When you wipe on paper, don't wipe it here.
We're gonna add a lot of pom-poms for this.
Oh my god! It sticks so good. Mother, try to move it.
Yeah, I already
Oh
tried
my
it. It did not
God.
even move one single bit. We're gonna sprinkle all
Oh,
around.
that's cool. Just put it like that. Oh,
Oopsies. That's funny.
those one has to go home.
Those one wants to go to the party, but they're not invited. They just forgot to invite them.
Non-toxic glue. Wow, pretty good. Should get more of these.
Yeah, it says non-toxic.
Mm-hmm.
That means it is the regular glue toxic?
No, that school glue is not.
What's the toxic one?
Maybe the strong one for a doll.
Hot glue?
Oh, that's could burn. That's why I don't want to use that.
Let's add one over here. There's a lot of them. There's still a lot more
Yeah, we
left.
can keep for maybe after. Oh, let's put it there or something.
Okay, only one was invited to this party.
Okay. Okay.
Bye, guys. See you in part 2.
I cannot see very good.